Hi everyone, welcome to the fall semester and welcome to Bioethics in Philosophy. I'm so glad you're here. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the course and then we'll get started. So thanks for being here. My name is Cassandra Evans. I teach in undergraduate general education, obviously philosophy, as well as disability studies. I also do a lot of other grant writing projects and counseling. I'm going to tell you a little bit about me and a little bit about the course so you kind of know what to expect. So I have been with CUNY for more than 10 years, actually about 13 years. This is a picture of my dog Hops. He is one of the many things that keeps me grounded and keeps me laughing. I hope you have a pet or something in your life that gives you lots of joy. When I am not working, I am usually trying to get him in the water for mental health and just to make me laugh. I am a California native. I'm back in California now. I was living in New York until just recently, but I went to San Diego State for my undergrad in journalism, in counseling, as well as philosophy. And then I went to New York to do my PhD in Stony Brook, and I started working for CUNY School of Professional Studies after I had been at a couple of other CUNY schools. So I'm thrilled to be here, but I'm also thrilled to be teaching you from the West Coast right now. So you might have to endure a couple of pictures of the West Coast as well soon. And just a little bit about my backgrounds, professional backgrounds, plural. I do academic advisement, career counseling, as I said, grant writing, as well as teaching philosophy. But within philosophy, my favorite area is this area that I'm going to teach you, which is ethics. Bioethics, medical ethics, environmental ethics, business ethics. I also teach classes in gender, and then of course disability studies, specifically mental health and disability studies, how there's stigma around mental health, how immigrants are further disabled, and how everyone should be given equal access to education. In this course, as well as your entire education, think about what you enjoy doing, what brings you joy while you're creating this new set of information, this new foundation that you'll have and take with you through your professional life. Don't forget to enjoy your joy. Keep doing things for yourself that make you happy. Carve out time. I know it's busy when you are a student, but carve out time to do what helps you feel good. Just a little bit about my research. I did research on Long Island in New York, centered around the question of why did we have large asylums? What you're seeing right here on the screen is pictures of 4 large asylums, very large buildings where people were housed for psychiatric disabilities and other things. So I did work around how those closed, why those closed, and what we have now. So my area of focus is very specifically disability studies, but mental health and the ethics surrounding mental health. I look at things like trauma, how trauma can exacerbate or increase someone's disabilities that they have already, how we can improve access for people with disabilities, and what a disability actually is by definition, socially, politically, economically. The other thing I want to say to you is while we're going through this class, think about reaching out. You're seeing a picture here of my dog and his friend. We are kind of pack animals as humans, but we also need help, not just in having fun, but in figuring out the learning process. So please seek me out for help and reach out to others as you go through this class. SPS has a lot of great services for you, whether it's career development, job placement, resume writing, advising for your other classes. We have lots of resources, financial aid, grants, that sort of thing. And then finally, we're going to get started in week 1. Pay attention to our deadlines and know that week 1 will be a little bit longer than normal weeks because we start on a Friday and then the following weekend is Labor Day weekend. So pay close attention to those deadlines. You're going to introduce yourself, you're going to read the syllabus, review your due dates, and think about the assignments that are coming up. I am also showing here a screenshot of where you find me in student hours. I use what's called Collaborate, and Collaborate is the link on our system, on our Blackboard system, where you'll find me. If that doesn't work for you, we can set up a Zoom meeting as well. But I will have office hours in the evening as well as some daytime office hours. If those don't work, just reach out. Okay, looking forward to meeting all of you, to chatting, and to helping guide you through ethical theory and application of ethical theory. So thanks for being here. Have a great semester.